Hello, uh, Ajay Hegi Trika. Today is the 20th March 2025, and I have traded Google and one loss and one winner. I don't know how the mic coming up. 1 second, let me check. Yes, it's coming. It's good. Okay. So what I did, as you can see on my screen, 1 second. Give me. I have to get my pen. Happy pen. Okay, 1 second. Here we go. And just running it. Okay, okay. Sorry. Just, okay. So as you can see, why I like the Google. First question, why I do go for the Google. Uh, Most of the stocks were today on the S3, S4, the sport side, like it was on buying range. But overall market itself is selling for the long days, like almost 10-15 days. It's have bad news and everything. And my idea was from after the looking at the Google, why is still as you can see here in the daily chart here, it was making let us sport on this line here. So that was the daily line, and that was 161.43. And that I drew here, and that was my idea. Okay, if it's hold here, it's gonna be jump. It's gonna be like a bounce from that side, and it's gonna be go touch the 9 moving average on Google on the daily level. So that was my idea behind that. And what did as it opened, as you can see that it was holding S4 with the pre-market data. It's bounced from this area, bounce here. It's very little volume. I don't know. It's not showing. 1 second. I'm trying to see how the volume was here. Okay. No, no. Okay. 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 That was it. Okay. So when it's move, let's make it kind of W and start moving higher. As it's moving, start higher. It like almost that volume that means there was some algo or people who's trading a came, they took the trade, but there was no push behind that. So as it came up near to the opening time, it's go cross over it and bought over again. And then before, just I was looking right at before the open, like 2-3 minutes, it's just dump. It's dumped. And when I see, okay, it have broken S4 on the pre-market data with pre-market data, but it's on the other side. It was just holding this side S4 on 2 minute chart. That's without pre-market data. And in my first trade, as you can see here, it what happened is open here, it's go little down, and it's about to push higher. That was the first push, and I was little earlier, and my stop loss was below this line, and I was hoping it to be hold that line. That's the daily level, but it gets smashed, and I get a little slippage. I lost one and almost 1.4 hour on this trade, and as soon as it dropped there, and there was a 161 level, and this has a big bid, and as you can see here, it's on the bid. It make a wick in the bottom, and it was not able to push below that. And as soon as second candle open, it's try to be it's open, it's try to come down and then get bought. and I was just waiting to be get it in because in my long term I was hoping it to be go long. So that's why I tried again one more time. It's little riskier because I don't get just get like proper and proper signal. But I was looking into that trade and I was micromanaging the tape and sale tape, and I jumped in and my stop loss was below this line, like below the low of the day, and it's pushed. But as soon as you see the bigger candle, it's big candle again, but the volume was not good as we needed to be get reversal. So that was a concern to me. And as soon as it hit S4 on and because sometimes S4 work as a resistance when coming from the bottom, and it make a wick here. So it's totally for me it was like coming back and gonna be lowered more down or get retest the level or something. But I hold to my trade. I want to see how it goes because I make a bigger time frame analysis, so I want to hold on that time frame analysis. So then after it's as it's moving forward, it's start pushing little bit every candle with a low volume, and there was 163 big bid here. Sorry, big ask on that side here. So because I was 1 hour loss, so I took at almost 3 hour. There was almost 3 hour, and my 4 hour was almost deadline, and I took 1/3 out. And I hope I kind of know that it's not gonna be because the volume was dying, so I was just not confident to be hold through that order. But the same thing happened. As soon as I took that and the next candle open, it's busted above and then smashed get down. So it hold there. After that, it's holded here. And you can see that it's very low volume. That means there were no seller coming after that. That was good sign to me. But again, I just play weak hand here. This should not be okay. This I understand. I should took 1 hour because I was underwater, like I was 1 hour loss. I should not be taken. First of all, not taking any partial. But if okay, if I took 1 hour here, should not be taken more than after that. I was worried it's gonna be drop, it's gonna become like that and do something shitty because it was making resistance from this area. I took 25% more here. That's my mistake here. What happened after that? It's slowly start pushing higher. It hold this 20 moving average on this one here. It's hold on this 20 moving average and start moving higher slowly and push. It get rejected. It get pushed, and that was my when I see okay, 163.5. That was a next level on the book map. I took all out, and that was a total 3 hour profit PNL. Could be more if I had like manage well because technically should be my target should be some around PDC if I go technical. Uh, but I'm just trying to be hold for 4 hour first, like for a few days, so I can have a kind of sense how I can hold it. Uh, Holding longer gonna make you more money, but as you see, my first trade was loser. I was not in. I don't want to give more money back. So as soon as I took this partial, I moved my stop loss to break even. So these are few things I want to mention because I don't. These are some problems and these are uh, some skill sets I have it to like read market. I don't know which one is gonna be best for me. I'm gonna track them out and make 50 trades and look what's uh, what's the most probable thing gonna happen in the next trade. How I'm dealing with the trade, something like that. So as you can see, the whole market is still moving higher. There is no pullback. There's no retest after the shoot. So it's almost not in this side. I would say on the 2 minute, like without pre-market data, it have already moved from S4 to almost S3, R3. It's not yet R3 because 165 is again a big bid, a big ask, and we need lots of volume to be crossed that. And as you can see in the volume here, it's get little smashed out on this volume. So we need lots of push to be crossed that line. Uh, Maybe it's gonna go, I don't know, because if you look into daily chart, it's 1 second. I don't know what's that do. Okay, it's a rubber, and what that do? Rubber, that do rubber, rubber. Okay, it's here. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the like we have a value John. It's not going higher than that. It's not move higher than 9 moving average yet. So it could be get reversal from that point. Who knows? So I'm a 3R positive. That's all for me now. Um, and other few things I like to like show you. Like what was that? 1 second. I had to do. I don't do very often, so I'm a little confused with all the pins and every stuff. Everything deleted. So I had to show 27-inch screen. Okay, hide that one. Hide, no, hide the main screen. Okay. This is my book map. So I want to show you here. So this was my entry, and as it was as soon as you see here is my as market open, it gets sell, and you can see the new order come in the top side, and the new order come on the top side. This one, this one, this one, and as soon as this smashed this level, and that was my first entry. That was my first entry because, as you can see, it was bought. Okay, that was order that get absorbed, and then when it's first time, it was here. It tried to go higher. I entered here. I stop loss somewhere here. That's I'm thinking what I did here, and then it smashed back and then it's hold again on this level, and that was my uh read on that. Okay, if not going through this like order here, it's gonna be jump bounce from that level. So I just stop loss from this level, and I think I almost entered here. So after that it's go higher, and ever since you see there was a thing I was talking about, the big order on 163, that's here. That was my first partial, and then it's go across and came back, and you can see here there was so much. There's no big like clear book map on this one, so that was like my concern. That's why it's taking so much out of trade, and and that's all trade for me. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that was a 3-hour trade, 3-hour day for me. Hopefully, I'm gonna come back again. What I think I need to be analysis bigger time frame, go back to smaller one, and do like plan a trade according to that. And other thing I'm finding out, I'm very aggressive to go to enter the trade. I think I need a little bit more patience, even though okay I can like maybe I had to wait more to get my hit target. If I do like very tight stop loss, it may work, it maybe kick me out, and I think that's kind of my personality now. I want to be hit a trade within like first minute. Okay, go in. Okay, that's not a problem going in the first minute, but I'm putting very tight stop loss, and some most of the time it's kick me out, and when I go to loss, and then totally different personality. out of my like a survival thing, or it's like emotional thing come up. So I think it's better to be like if you can see in the second trade, it reclaimed the S4 level. So that was the kind of surety. Okay, you have 50 trade now. You spend two now. I want to see how good I can read the market. How how much my bigger time frame analysis is working, how much of my execution is good. So according to that, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna see how much my emotion gonna hold in these all of stuff, because there's so many factors comes in my mind. So that's all for me now. I'm gonna speak every day a little bit, but that maybe help me to clear my mind. Thank you. If somebody listening or viewing this